Oscars 2024 winners. Best Film Editing, Oppenheimer. Best Visual Effects, Godzilla -1. Best Costume Design, Poor Things. Best Makeup and Hairstyling, Poor Things. Best Cinematography, Oppenheimer. Best Live Action Short, The Wonderful Story of Henry Sugar. Best Production Design, Poor Things. Best Sound, The Zone of Interest.
Das hier ist die Mauer vom Lager.
Ja, das ist die Lagermauer. Also da haben wir auch noch Wein gepflanzt, damit das zuwächst, damit man das nicht mehr so sieht.
Vielleicht ist ja Esther Siffermann dort drüben.
Wer war das nochmal?
Ja, die, für die ich geputzt habe.
Best Original Song, What Was I Made For, Barbie. Best Original Score, Oppenheimer. Best Documentary Short, The Last Repair Shop. Best Documentary Feature, 20 Days in Mariupol. Best International Feature, The Zone of Interest, United Kingdom. Best Animated Short, War is Over, inspired by the music of John and Yoko. Best Animated Featured Film, The Boy and the Heron. Best Original Screenplay, Anatomy of a Fall. Best Adapted Screenplay, American Fiction. Best Supporting Actress, Divine Joy Randolph, The Holdovers. Best Supporting Actor, Robert Downey Jr., Oppenheimer. Best Director, Christopher Nolan, Oppenheimer. Best Actress in a Leading Role, Emma Stone, Poor Things. Best Actor in a Leading Role, Cillian Murphy, Oppenheimer. Best Picture, Oppenheimer.